Hi, my friends, we're getting ready for another video. My husband and I are gonna be both in the video. We're gonna be eating some Easter candy that we bought on sale a couple weeks after Easter, so I hope you enjoy it. My husband likes chocolate and I hope the chocolate's good. Let's see. Let's do it.
Hi guys.
That's the chocolate we got. I thought it would taste good because chocolate from Germany usually tastes good. It says product of Germany. Imported by Niche Gourmet in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Oh, you're looking forward to eating it, huh? It says milk chocolate decorated with white and dark chocolate.
Oh, yeah.
I'll tell you the ingredients later. So, shall we open it?
Look, it's a brown chocolate with white ears on a bunny and a darker brown nose and eyes. So
And it says
must be different flavors of chocolate.
Yeah, white chocolate and,
Yeah, it looks
and
good.
regular chocolate.
It looks good.
You can't read it so well. The white letters on green, but it's the ingredients in different languages. All we need to know is that it's in English:
I don't read most of those
sugar,
languages,
cocoa
Greek
butter, milk powder, cocoa liquor. Liquor? I never know if it. This is cocoa liquor.
Yeah.
Sometimes it says liqueur, cocoa liquor, whey powder, milk, soy lecithin, natural vanilla flavor, may contain traces of nuts, wheat, and gluten.
Does it have any chocolate in it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Milk chocolate.
Cocoa
Cool.
butter and cocoa liquor.
Okay, I hope so. That's a big one.
Look. Oh, I touch it. It's like touching cocoa butter.
Well, we're really rich now. We each have our own chocolate.
I'm gonna eat that top right corner. I hope the camera's on. You eat the bottom right corner?
Wow, that's the one that pops out of it. I think I can break the way. Oh, there we go.
Instead of $3.99, each one of these was 99 cents each.
Not bad.
Almost a perfect picture frame, except we start eating it. Look at the bunnies.
That's like 75% off. I like that.
Look at the bunnies. And painting an egg or something outside, being outdoors.
Good chocolate.
It is good chocolate. Nutrition facts: for 3 pieces, 42 grams. If the servings for free, well, I'm gonna eat mine.
I'm gonna eat the whole thing.
99 cents. Otherwise, we'd be sharing. I don't know if I can eat that much chocolate though. The calories 230 for 3 pieces. Sugar's 23 grams. I won't be able to eat the whole thing. Protein 3 grams.
I mean, I just eat the rest of yours too. Not bad.
There goes the bunny's ears.
Good deal. Oh, poor bunny.
Look. It's chocolate, Alan. Look. This is white chocolate. I see it.
Well, you think you're a pretty bunny, don't you? Huh?
Very bunny person.
Oh, yeah. There we go. It's bunny pants. The white's the pants, huh?
Who's eating the bunny's pants?
Wow.
Yummy.
So how do I get the white chocolate on top of the other ones? I must.
I don't know. I don't
I've
taste the
seen it
white
coming.
chocolate because
I must make the bottom on the bottom.
the brown
have another
chocolate is so strong.
there any hazelnuts in here? I thought it was a hazel. Isn't it hazelnuss?
Yeah. I have nothing to do with a bunny rabbit.
No.
A hase. Well, it's the German word, but nothing to do with hazelnuts, I meant.
Oh, okay. It's a hazel chocolate.
It's a bunny chocolate. A German word for rabbit is hase.
Or Kaninchen.
Kaninchen. What? Best before 6/30/2018?
It's not going to last
Really?
that long. It's not going to last that long. It's going to be gone today. In a few
Not
minutes.
mine. Look.
No. If you leave any left over, it'll still be gone today. I'll eat it.
I think you'll be quite satisfied with yours.
That's a lot of chocolate. It's true.
No, it's true. It's not.
That is a lot of chocolate. Not bad, huh? I smeared it all over me.
No, it's no, you didn't.
Slobbery.
It's your it's your napkin.
Oh,
It shreds a little bit
okay.
because you got a little bit, tiny little bit
Why don't you
of
give me a fresh one?
that tiny little bit of hairstyle.
Oh, okay.
So
I caught on my whiskers. Don't bunnies have whiskers?
uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna stop eating and enjoy mine some more in a couple hours from now or tomorrow, because if I eat more
Want a
now,
bite? You're going to take some home.
then I won't be as
There you
good.
Tastes good, doesn't it?
It
What did you
is.
think about that white chocolate part on the top?
Oh, you never gave him a chocolate
I
bar.
just did. Ask them.
Mm.
Yeah. How did it taste?
Yeah.
See?
I see there's a whole bunch of it gone.
That's my
wonder.
chocolate you're taking there, lady.
You're not supposed to say that. I said that's for them. If you gave them,
Oh,
they have to see that there's some of it gone.
Oh.
You can have some of mine now.
Okay. Yummy. You're such a sweetheart.
I got some for mine later. I can't eat that much sugar. I hope you enjoyed it, my friends. Goodbye from your two chocolate bunnies. We love you. See you later. Bye.
Bye.